You know, the human being is constructed this way that too much pleasure makes us sleepy.
Ľudská prirodzenosť je tak skonštruovaná, že príliš veľa zábavy nás uspáva.
But suffering usually has bigger chance to wake us up.
Väčšiu šancu prebudiť nás má utrpenie.
That's why there is saying that the suffering is the mother of all Buddhas.
Preto sa hovorí, alebo to je príslovie, že utrpenie je matkou Budhov.
And when we trace the life of Shakyamuni Buddha, it's his spiritual journey started with perceiving and experiencing suffering.
Keď sa pozrieme na cestu Shakyamuni Budhu, tak jeho cesta začala utrpením.
When he was living in his paradise, you know, very rich son of rich father, and a lot of pleasure around you, it wasn't the moment of his awakeness, but to some extent yes, because he felt this pressure to go behind, you know, to go beyond his paradise, you know, garden, and see what is the truth of the world. He cannot experience. He does not experience.
Čiže to poznanie vlastne Budhove neprišlo vtedy, keď žil v paláci a mal tam veľmi veľa mal tam pohodlie, mal tam všetky tie možnosti a tú zábavu. Ale napriek tomu vlastne prišiel na to, že musí ísť za toto, musí ísť za túto hradbu toho pohodlia.
Yeah, so when you are trapped in your suffering, when you are trapped in your suffering trap,
keď ste chytení do pásce toho utrpenia,
you start to analyze your situation. Okay?
Začnete analyzovať situáciu.
Why am I so inconvenient? Why am I so dissatisfied constantly? Okay, so sometimes it's the beginning of really big question.
A začnite si klásť otázky, prečo som taký nespokojný v tejto situácii.
Yeah. So pain. So the first step is always wake up to pain.
Čiže prvý krok je vždycky zobudiť bolesť.
Otvoriť sa bolesti.
Otvoriť sa bolesti.
That's why when he started to teach, you know, he put his teaching, built his teaching on the foundation of four noble truths.
To je dôvod, prečo vlastne postavil to svoje učenie na tých štyroch utrpeniach, na tých štyroch znešených pravdách.
And the name of the first truth, you know, yes, that life is suffering.
A všetci vieme vlastne tú prvú pravdu, že to je utrpenie.
Yeah.
Život je život.
You know, in medicine world, you know, sometimes we have some hidden bacteria or hidden virus, which means that we have sickness we are not aware.
Z medicínskeho hľadiska občas vlastne máme v tele nejakú baktériu alebo nejaký vírus, čo znamená, že nie sme v teli.
Nie sme si toho vedomí.
Skrytu, áno, pardon, to som nezachytila.
So, as long as this bacteria or virus, you know, will not make any outer symptoms, we are not aware of it. So, in other words, as long as we don't suffer from this bacteria, okay, we are not aware of this.
Takže aj keď máme tieto baktérie v tom tele, pokiaľ sa neprejavia, nevytvoria nejaké symptómy alebo nezačneme trpieť, tak o nich vôbec nevieme.
So usually we go to the doctor when we have symptoms.
Zvyčajne k lekárovi ideme, až keď máme tie príznaky.
Then the doctor makes some detection and said, "Oh, I found something which is the cause of your suffering."
A vtedy lekár vlastne spraví nejakú analýzu a povie, aha, našiel som tú príčinu, prečo trpíte, alebo prečo máte problém.
And you say, "Oh, I didn't know."
A si povedal, to som nevedel.
So he will say, okay, you know, you should be grateful to your pain because this pain gave you information that you had this bacteria.
A poviem, môžeš sa poďakovať svojmu utrpeniu, pretože vlastne ti prinieslo, alebo ťa priviedlo k lekárovi a našiel si príčinu tvojich problémov.
Okay, so the suffering sometimes brings to the surface the bacteria.
A to utrpenie niekedy vlastne ukáže tú príčinu, tú baktériu.
So, according to Buddha's teaching and, you know, the spirit of our training, you know, this deluded mind is this virus of all our suffering.
Čiže podľa Budhovho učenia je to tá baktéria.
Ilúzia mysle je...
Tá baktéria.
Je tá baktéria.
Tá baktéria. Tá baktéria je ilúzia našej mysle.
So we must touch the pain.
We must touch the pain.
So the pain wakes us up. Okay.
Bolesť nás prebudza.
Bolesť nás prebudí. Bolesť nás